Talking about another lawsuit filed against the state's gun ban. Around 1,690 plaintiffs joining a lawsuit from attorney Thomas DeVore filed this time in White County with an emergency hearing set for Wednesday morning. And that's going to be a interesting hearing as it follows a previous hearing that happened last week in Effingham County, where we had the case decided for a temporary restraining order against the state from enforcing the gun ban and registry for 866 plaintiffs. So with the latest on this, of course, you've got 1,600 different individuals who have essentially said that they oppose the state's gun ban, and they feel that their rights are being infringed upon. And the attorney, Thomas DeVore, again, filing one case in Effingham County, getting that temporary restraining order last week, seeking to do something similar in White County by filing this lawsuit with 1,690 plaintiffs on that list, including around 60 some odd gun stores, and it spans across 92 counties, DeVore tells me. But that challenge follows other challenges that have been filed both in state and federal courts, with another challenge expected today from a different group in federal court. So the lawsuits are stacking up. Also yesterday, the state appealed the Effingham County temporary restraining order. So you've got Attorney General Kwame Raoul's office on behalf of Governor J.B. Pritzker and the Democrat legislative leaders. They are filing that appeal in the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in Illinois. And that's just the Effingham case. But now they've got to show up in court on Wednesday for the White County case, where 1,690 different plaintiffs sued on behalf of saying that their Second Amendment rights, their rights under equal protection of law being violated, that they say the law was passed not using the proper policies, be the three readings rule, making sure that there's ample public input into crafting something like this, and also making sure that any kind of law like this stands to strict scrutiny. Meaning, if you want to take somebody's rights away while giving somebody else those rights from, a different class of people, it has to survive strict scrutiny. And is that strict scrutiny going to be simply just balancing the harms of people being afraid of mass shootings versus securing fundamental constitutional civil rights as the Second Amendment is? So this saga is not going anywhere in Illinois. And again, it's not just these lawsuits that are happening. You've got the state Senate returning today. Not sure all what they're going to do. It's the new General Assembly, but even the Illinois State Rifle Association saying that while things are going on in the courts, it's important to keep your eye on what's going on at the State House, because there are efforts underfoot to bring about all kinds of other types of gun regulation. But the news is another lawsuit filed in White County, this one separate from the Effingham County case, where Attorney Thomas DeVore is looking to get a temporary restraining order issued against the state from enforcing the gun and magazine ban on 1,690 different plaintiffs. We'll actually be talking with one of those plaintiffs coming up here in just about 20 minutes or so, and that is State Senator Darren Bailey. So you're going to want to keep it here with Springfield's Morning News on WMAY, and we'll have the latest here for you with the former state senator and former Republican gubernatorial candidate who has joined on to this lawsuit in White County. Why is he doing this? How does he feel this is going to move forward? And we'll talk with him about a few other things as well. So stay tuned. That's coming up here in just about 20 minutes time.